Another week, another hairstyle. Have you guys seen this picture? Of course you have. It's been all over the internet and I lost my mind. I lost my mind. I saw this and I was like, this perfectly encapsulates the vibe that we're all going through right now. This late 90s, early 2000s aesthetic that's so popular. And I was like, I have to do this. But I couldn't figure out how I was going to incorporate glitter in my hair. I knew that I wanted a style that I was going to keep in for a while, and I had already been thinking about braids. So as you can see, I already started. I wanted to start the video already knowing what to do because this was like, okay, hang on, give me a second. I can't take myself seriously with my hair like this. Okay, this is better. I started to come up here looking so rough sometimes. I shocked myself. I wanted to make sure that I knew what I was doing before I get on here and tell you guys what to do. So it's been a little bit of trial and error. We started really small. My mom's been helping me braid, but we're doing really small box braids. And I wanted a nice color just so that I could get this nice little ombre effect. I asked on Instagram for people to give me some ideas of what they want to see in my hair. And I really like the idea of pink, but I went to the beauty supply store, couldn't find pink. This was the next closest thing to pink that they had. They had a highlighter pink, but I was thinking more of like soft pink. This is the hair I got. It's showing up really pink on camera, but I swear it's more of a lilac and it's got a really blue tinge to it. I got the Bobbi Boss 3X King in Ocean Wave and 28 inches. How cute! So this is how long they are right now. And I love that I get a little curl at the end because I wasn't really planning on having anything at the end. But if I stand up and stand up straight, they're about, yeah, they're like past my waist. So yeah, in order to incorporate the glittery bits, I went to Joann's. Let me grab those. And this is honestly where most of the trial and error part came in because I had no idea how to make my hair sparkly. Now only half of my hair is done. It's like the bottom half, but we've done a couple of test runs with the glittery parts. So what I picked up from Joann's was this ribbon. And this ribbon is 1/8 of an inch by 5 yards. This is crucial. Like, if you have to pick up a yarn that's like a different brand that has glitter in it, I highly recommend, depending on the braid size, if you're going for something small like this, you're gonna need a thin ribbon. So I wouldn't go any larger than 1/8 of an inch. I picked up this ribbon and you can see that this is like way too thick for the size of braid that I'm doing. So this is a silver one out of the pack. The one that I just showed you, that's 1/8 of an inch. And you can see what a huge difference there is. The purple ones have to be folded over because that's the only way that they'll fit inside my braid. And I'm probably gonna keep those towards the back. But I picked up purple, silver, and I picked up some white and some pink. You can see that the white is like a little bit thicker than the pink. The pink is the size that you want to go for, but I couldn't find white in a smaller size. But I really like this white because it has a blue tint to it, just like the hair. I didn't get a lot because I don't want all of the braids to have sparkles in it, because in this photo it seems like the sparkles are more like highlights. So I'm going to leave most of the ribbon for the top of my head so it really shines through, but I'm so excited. I can't wait until this is finished. I just think it's gonna look amazing, and I think it's something different. So Chia V Hair came up with this idea, and they posted it back on November 5th. Honestly, oh shoot. I just realized that I am doing like the same exact color as on the wig. I was gonna change it to pink, but I realized that I'm talking about braids, and in this photo they have like a wig. So I will link their website below so that you can follow them on their Instagram page. Under one of the posts they say that they're going to come out with a free tutorial on how to do like what's actually in the photo. So just keep your eyes on their page for when that comes out. But yeah, shout out to Black women constantly being innovative. Like, just when you think everything's been done before, something new comes up. Okay, let's get back to braiding.